How to build a personal brand step by step in 2025. Alright, in part 1 talk about what personal branding is and why it's so powerful. If you haven't watched that video yet, pause and check it out first. Trust me, it sets the stage. Now, let's talk strategy. How to actually build a personal brand from zero. Whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, student, or even 9 to 5 pro, this one's for you. In this video, we're going to talk about self-awareness, brand pillars, choosing your platform wisely, building in public, creating signature content, engaging like a real human, last but not the least, being patient but be intentional. Step 1. Start with self-awareness. Know yourself before you brand yourself. Most people skip this step and jump straight into logos and username. Ask yourself, what do I stand for? What I'm really good at? What stories shape me? And what do I want to be known for in 5 years? I once spoke with someone who had an amazing skill set, but their brand flopped only because they weren't aligned with their real personality. They were trying to look polished and people sensed it. It wasn't authentic at all. I see a lot of young YouTubers do this all the time. Moral of the story, start with clarity, not perfection or performance. Define your brand pillars. Once you're clear who you are, it's time to define your brand pillars. Think of this as your content personality traits, the themes people associate with you. Pick 3 to 5 key areas you want to be known for. For example, personal growth, entrepreneurship, tech review, and sustainability. Everything you post, share, should ladder back to these pillars. This keeps your brand focused and memorable. Choose your platform wisely. Now, let's talk performance. Don't try to be everywhere, be strategic. Great on camera, YouTube or TikTok. Love writing, LinkedIn, Medium or X. Love building communities, Instagram or Discord. Pick one main platform to start, then repurpose content later. Remember, consistency equals virality. You can go viral once, but the strong personal brand sticks because it's consistent. Build in public. One of the best ways to grow your brand fast is building in public. Share your progress, wins and fails, and your lessons. People connect with realness, not perfection. Here's a pro tip with a perfect example. Documentation beats creation. You don't need a fancy gear or perfect editing. You just need to show up honestly and consistently. Create signature content. Okay, real talk. What's one thing that all strong personal brand has? They have a signature content style. Think Mr. Beast's epic giveaways, Gary Vee's no bullshit business advice, Amara Chamberlain's awkwardly relatable vlogs. What's yours? Maybe it's your sense of humor, your skit style storytelling, your deep diving into niche topics. Find your rhythm and lean into it. Your audience should eventually say, "Oh, that's so you." Engage like a real human. Here's a secret that most people forget. Talk to people like actually talking to people. Engagement isn't just replying to comments with emojis. It's DMs, conversations, and community building. It's showing up for people who actually support you. You're not building a following, you're building a tribe. I mean, a trust circle. Be patient, but be intentional. Listen, personal branding isn't a hack, it's a habit. Your brand will evolve, so will your style. The only thing that shouldn't change is your intentionality. Every post, every collab, every story you share, it's all brick in your brand. And the compound effect, it's real. One day you'll look back and say, it all started with me, putting myself out there. So if you're serious about building a brand that stands out and stands the test for your time, start building right now. Build slow, build smart, and build real. Drop a comment with the first word people want you to think when you hear your name. If you want me to help build your personal brand, audits, and content plan, say the word brand me in the comment section. Hit like, subscribe, and let's build your legacy together. See you in the next episode. Personal brand versus business brand. Which one you need?